This is part 2 of my sunrise photography. I will leave a link at the top left corner for you to watch part 1. I started off early and reached here before sunrise. The sun rays are brilliantly shining through the clouds, displaying a radiant orange sky. The air is so fresh and regenerating, and you feel so free out here in the open among the nature. I'll be silent for a minute and you can listen to the sounds of the birds and the surroundings. This is a huge lake spanning on both sides across this steel bridge. I have set up the tripod to take the composition of that log sticking out of the water. I have set it at a composition to get the wooden log as well as the one of the eyelet. Hopefully, this would be a good composition. Let me try the same composition at 18 mm. I have just focused on the wooden log which is coming out of the water, and the rest of it is clean. So this will be a good minimalistic shot. Which one of the three do you like? Do leave a comment. I am walking to the other side of the lake. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the hen. These sounds are so pleasing to my ears compared to the honking that we usually hear. The air is so fresh over here. So here I am trying to take a minimalistic shot of that piece of grass that's floating on the water. That's another one that I'm trying to get from a higher angle. I am trying to get the shot of that tree. Done for the day. I need to go back home and then head to the gym. This is a shame. This seems to be the sewage water that's getting collected. I hope the construction is to treat this water. Thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you like this content, please like this video.